How do you know if BeautifulSoup is installed? To verify the installation, perform the following steps. Open up the Python interpreter in a terminal by using Python command. Now we can issue a simple import statement. To see whether we have successfully installed BeautifulSoup or not. There should not be any errors while executing this import statement. This means that BeautifulSoup is successfully installed on your computer. Let's consider another example. In this case, BeautifulSoup is not installed. So you will encounter module not found error. Please check out this installation guide at the official website. I will put this link into description below. Feel free to ask your questions in comments section. Please check out my playlist containing frequently asked questions about BeautifulSoup. Please like, subscribe and comment. See you next time.